to maths, easy peasy. And in today's class, we shall be looking at area of a triangle. Now, when finding the area of a triangle, we use the formula half base times height. Here we're talking about the perpendicular height. Half base times height. It can simply be written as base times height divided by 2. So, let's go further to look at some example that will give us better understanding of it. Now, in our first example today, we are asked to look for the area of the triangle below. Now, by looking at this triangle, we discover it has a base of 12 centimeters and a height of 10 centimeters. So, as we said before now, the formula for calculating the area of a triangle is half base times height. Simply put, it will be base times height divided by 2. Let's go further to solve this. So the area of this triangle, area is equal to 1 over 2 bracket of base, which is 12 here, times the what? Height. Or simply put as what? Base times height all over 2. Now with this, we have a base which is 12 times the 10, which is the what? Perpendicular height all over 2, which gives us 120 over 2. And our final answer here is 60 centimeters squared. That is the area. Now let's look at another question. The first question was actually easy. Let's see another question for today. Now we have another triangle here, and it is not a right angle triangle, but the height is given to us at the middle. So while looking for this type of the area of this type of triangle, we simply multiply the base and the height and divide our result by 2. The other two sides, 7 and 10, are of no importance when looking for the area. They are irrelevant. So solution. Our area will be equal to the base times the what? Height all over 2. And our base here is 14. So we have our 14 times our height, which is 8, times 8 centimeters all over 2. This will give us 8 times 4 is 20, is 32. Put on 2, carry what? 3. 8 times 1, 8, plus 3 we carry, which gives us what? 11. That is 112 all over what? 2. And our answer will simply be 2 into 11 will give us 501. That is 56 centimeters what? Squared. That is the area of this shape. So the formula states base times height all over 2, which is 14 times 8. 8 times 4 is 32, carry 3. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 3 is 11, which gives us what? 112 centimeters. Dividing it by 2, our final answer became 56 centimeters. It is actually easy peasy, lemon squeezy, pizza cheesy, Mr. Austin's